Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and let me show you why this pot filler is life-changing.
If you haven't added a pot filler to your coffee bar, then you are missing out. This solid brass pot filler from KIBI is absolutely gorgeous, and it comes with everything you need to install the pot filler onto your wall. It was very simple to install and the directions were very easy, and I found that it came with everything that we needed. We were replacing a former spigot on the wall, and this was a major upgrade. Before, our faucet that was here was not tall enough to get the water into my coffee pot. So when I saw this one, it is so beautiful and it works so perfectly for filling my coffee pot, filling my tea kettle, and it just looks so good and classy on my wall. I really think it has just really elevated this space. I love that it's this brushed gold brass and it matches my coffee pot and my tea kettle perfectly, and I have gotten major compliments on this pot filler and I am just so pleased with the quality. I am absolutely stunned by it.
So whether you add this over your stove or to your coffee bar, this pot filler is absolutely amazing, and that is my point of view.